मुझे चैन से जीने दो। लेट मी लिव इन पीस। लेट मी लिव इन पीस। उसका कुछ नहीं है, सब मेरा है। नथिंग इज़ हिज, एवरीथिंग इज़ माइन। नथिंग इज़ हिज, एवरीथिंग इज़ माइन। क्या पता उसने कहा हो। Who knows what might he have said? Who knows what might he have said? क्या तुम्हें नहीं जाना? Don't you want to go? Don't you want to go? मैं कल से यहाँ बैठा हूँ। I have been sitting here since yesterday. I have been sitting here since yesterday. ये कब हुआ? When did this happen? When did this happen? शायद उसने देखा होगा। Maybe he might have seen it. Maybe he might have seen it. हमने उसे दिखाया था। We showed it to him. We showed it to him. हमें घर जाना पड़ा। We had to go home. We had to go home. आज तो बैठे बैठे थक गए। Today I am tired of sitting. Today I am tired of sitting. उसे घर लाया गया। He was brought home. He was brought home. मुझे 2 मिनट दिए गए थे। I was given 2 minutes. I was given 2 minutes. यह लोग तुमसे कब मिले? When did these people meet you? When did these people meet you? ये काम कौन करता है? Who does this work? Who does this work? मैं अक्सर तुम्हारे घर आता था। I used to come to your house often. I used to come to your house often. मैं बहुत देर से उसे ढूंढ रहा हूँ। I have been searching for him for a long time. I have been searching for him for a long time. मैंने कहा था कि मैं जाऊँगा। I said I would go. I said I would go. ज़्यादा सोचना बेकार है। It is useless to think too much. It is useless to think too much. तुम्हें किसके घर जाना है? Whose house do you want to go to? Whose house do you want to go to? वो मेरे आगे खड़ा था। He was standing in front of me. He was standing in front of me. तुमने कहा था मैं हमेशा तुम्हारा साथ दूंगा। You said I would always support you. You said I would always support you. क्या मैं वजह जान सकता हूँ? May I know the reason? May I know the reason? तुमने उसे गलत समझा। You misunderstood him. You misunderstood him. उसने मुझे धोखा दिया। He has cheated me. He has cheated me. मुझे लगा तुम्हें बताना चाहिए। I thought I should tell you. I thought I should tell you. मैं उसे धोखा नहीं दे सकता। I can't cheat him. I can't cheat him. जब मैं टीवी देख रहा था, जब तुम आए मैं टीवी देख रहा था। When you came, I was watching TV. When you came, I was watching TV. भले ही तुम मुझे मार डालो, मैं फिर भी नहीं जाऊंगा। Even if you kill me, I still won't go. Even if you kill me, I still won't go. हमें कड़ी से कड़ी मेहनत करनी है। We have to work harder. We have to work harder. मैं जानता हूँ तुम ऐसा कभी नहीं कर सकते। I know you can never do that. I know you can never do that. तुमने उसे जाने क्यों दिया? Why did you let him go? Why did you let him go? मुझे अब इसकी आदत सी हो गई है। I have become used to it now. I have become used to it now. वह जैसा भी है मेरा भाई है। Whatever he is my brother. Whatever he is my brother. तुम कुछ भी करो मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। Whatever you do, I don't care. Whatever you do, I don't care. हमें यह काम करने के लिए कुछ वक्त चाहिए। We need some time to do this work. We need some time to do this work. उसने ऐसा क्या कहा कि तुम्हें बुरा लग गया? What did he say that made you feel bad? What did he say that made you feel bad? चलो कहीं घूमने चलते हैं। Let's go somewhere. Let's go somewhere. तुम तो जानते हो कि मैं मजबूर हूँ। You know that I am helpless. You know that I am helpless. मैं उनका ये सपना जरूर पूरा करूँगा। I will definitely fulfill this dream of his. I will definitely fulfill this dream his. हाँ, आप लोगों के सहयोग के लिए धन्यवाद। Thank you guys for your cooperation. Thank you guys for your cooperations. क्या वह टहलने जाता है? Does he go for a walk? Does he go for a walk? मुझे नहीं पता क्या करना है। I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. वह सबसे महान है। He is the greatest. He is the greatest. वह बाजार गया है। He has gone to market. He has gone to market. सभी लड़के शरारती हैं। All the boys are naughty. All the boys are naughty. उसे नाचने दो। Let him dance. Let him dance. मुझे तुमसे कहना है। I say to you. I say to you. दरवाजे पर बैठो। Sit at the door. Sit at the door. 5वें पृष्ठ पर खोलें। Open at the 5th page. Open at the 5th page. क्या उसने आपको सलाह दी? Did he advise you? Did he advise you?